Alright guys, so we are ready to get this motor in the car. Got everything done to it. Put the plugs in, got the starter put in. So everything is ready to drop her in. So I'm gonna throw you guys up on a tripod and hopefully it won't be too hard to get her in. I got like minimal space to work with here. Unless I open the garage door, but still, it kind of just drops off right there. But I think we can make it work. Alright guys, still haven't got the motor in the car yet. Still had a few little issues. This header here on the passenger side, it's just pain trying to get it clear to sway bar. But I think I got it worked out now. Another thing is, I thought I had my motor mounts on wrong. So I even flipped them around, and yeah, they were wrong that way too. So now I just put them back. I extended my hoist here, and I think I can get her in now. Because when I pulled the motor out, it was only on 1 ton setting. So I extended on the 1.5. I was kind of worried because this part's been welded before. Didn't want to risk on breaking it and dropping the motor. So should be able to jack the motor up a little bit, and should be able to push it back, and it should go right in place. So, alright guys, I'm gonna put you back on the tripod, and hopefully this works. Alright guys, so it is the next day or morning, and after a long night trying to get the motor in the car, she's finally in. She is real tight though. Like there's no wiggle room. So it's kind of a good thing I got solid motor mounts on it, so the motor won't have no room to play. But this header is like literally right against this strut tower. I had to hammer it in a little bit down here to get her to go all the way down on the mounts. So she's all the way down, and like I said, after a few hours just playing with it, finally got her in. So the fun part would be is getting this transmission in. Hopefully it won't be too bad since it's dry. There's no fluids in it. On the motor, I don't know if you run different motor mounts or not. Like I said, I'm running solids here. Not sure to raise it up or not. Really don't need to raise it anymore. Got plenty of pan clearance. I could probably yank that pan off that much clearance on it. But guys, she's in the car. Gotta modify. Will be part of my video? No? What car is this?
White.
I know it's white. What is it? Is it a Mustang?
Your red Mustang.
Oh, you like your red Mustang?
It's my toy.
Your toy? So, that's it. I need to pull the crossover support for the transmission. We gotta modify that. And we can start really bolting things together. Alright guys, so just a little update here. Got my engine hoist here. I was having some fitment issues with this header. You can probably see. Got a big hammer after it. Just massaged it a little bit. Now it's got plenty of room. Before the engine wing can sit back, so now it does. So there's plenty of room. There's no resistance on the header now. So everything's good there. Got that fixed. So far with this kit, that's the only thing I had to do as far as getting it to fit. Just having to massage it on that side. This header is alright. So far, everything's looking good. I'm just going to take the chains off and get the hoist off, and we're going to start working on the transmission. But guys, I'm going to end this video here. We're going to do the transmission on another video. Leave me comments, leave me a comment below, like, subscribe guys. I'm going to see what this kit, this 302 all-in-3 kit will, how much I can bolt up to this 351 before we start modifying anything. But guys, till next time, stay tuned. Transmission video will be coming up next. Take it easy guys.